The challenge with mowing and fertilizing on the same day is that these two tasks often have conflicting schedules. When you fertilize your lawn, it's generally best to water your grass immediately afterward. This helps the fertilizer penetrate the soil and provides the nutrients your grass needs. However, mowing right after fertilizing can potentially negate some of these benefits. Here's some important thoughts before attempting to mow and fertilize your lawn on the same day. Mowing immediately after fertilizing can have several drawbacks. Nutrient loss. When you mow your lawn right after fertilizing, you risk removing some of the newly applied fertilizer, reducing its effectiveness. Uneven application. Mowing can cause uneven spreading of the fertilizer, leading to uneven growth and coloration in your lawn. Lawn stress. Mowing can be stressful for your grass, especially if done too soon after fertilizing. It's like asking your lawn to multitask when it's not at its best. So what's the solution? While it's not advisable to mow immediately after fertilizing, you can plan your lawn care activities to minimize conflicts. Here's what you can do. Space them out. If possible, schedule mowing and fertilizing on different days or with some time in between to allow the fertilizer to be absorbed by the grass. Water first. If you must mow and fertilize on the same day, water your lawn lightly before mowing. This helps the fertilizer dissolve and penetrate the soil, reducing the risk of nutrient loss. Mow first. Alternatively, you can mow your lawn a day or two before fertilizing, ensuring your grass isn't stressed when you apply the fertilizer. In conclusion, while it's not ideal to mow and fertilize your lawn on the same day due to potential conflicts in timing, it can be managed with careful planning and consideration of your grass's needs. Your lawn's health and appearance greatly depend on following a consistent schedule for both mowing and fertilizing, so be sure to prioritize each task at the right time. By understanding your lawn's requirements and taking the necessary steps, you can enjoy a beautifully manicured, well-nourished lawn that will be the envy of your neighborhood.